In this video, I'm going to show you how to instantly create your own custom Chrome extension that will do exactly what you want it to do. Whether that's save a couple of keystrokes or even save your prompts that you use for regular use, like the one I've built here, they're great just to save you a little bit of time. But also they have an SEO aspect to it, which is quite powerful. If you submit it to the Chrome Web Store, you can get a backlink from the Chrome Web Store, which is really high authority. It is a no-follow link, but still some serious link juice behind it. And if you're new here, these are just some of the strategies that we teach inside our online community, AI Ranking, where we have more than 500 small business owners and we help them, teach them and support them rank their businesses #1 in the AI search engine so they get the right traffic and the right conversions from organic traffic alone. So how do we create a Chrome extension? There's a lot of tools out there that you can use, including Claude, GPT, but Manus does this now with one click. You can create a free account with Manus. I'll leave a link for you to do that below. Once you do that, I want you to go to manus.im/playbook. These playbooks are like pre-built libraries that will make market research tool, YouTube influence finders, and a lot more things. And if you scroll down, you'll see the Chrome extension builder. That is the one that we're going to use. I'm going to show you how to build and create a Chrome extension that you can upload in your private browser without having to go through the Chrome extension web store, which you can also do to get a backlinks. So I'm going to go to the Chrome extension builder, and I've already built some already. So this is an extension that is in the web store, as you can see. So this is the prompt saver. It's got a profile and it's got a link back to my website. And if I go to YouTube, this is another one that I've built, which is just in my private Chrome without having to be in the web store. If I refresh this and click on the get YouTube transcription, you can see that it gets the transcript from the video right away, and I can download it as a TXT file. If I click on this, there you go, I get the whole transcription. Now, I know you're saying, well, there's already plugins that do that. Yeah, but I built my own. I think it's kind of cool, and I just wanted to quickly build something that I can put into things like ChatGPT right away. So with Manus selected and with the Chrome extension builder playbook selected, you want to think of your prompt extension. So here it says, please create a Chrome extension that can insert the description and display the results in whatever manner you want. So for example, let's try and see if we can get a Chrome extension that will search for all the emails in a website and then display them to me in a way that I can quickly paste them or copy them into my clipboard. I would like the style reference to be, let's say, modern, neo-minimalistic. I'm going to start building. Now, whilst that is building and it's getting everything ready for us, what I want you to do is go to this exact address, so Chrome and then extensions. I'll leave that linked below as well. And you need to make sure that you have your developer mode enabled. Without this, you won't be able to upload your own custom extension without having to go through the Chrome Web Store. So that's this one here, for example. So make sure you've got that enabled. We're going to upload the package in a second once Manus has completed it. So it needs to create a couple of files, right? If you want to learn more a little bit about this, I'll leave the Chrome developer extension tutorial on how to do that. You need a couple of files, a manifest file, a pop-up file, a HTML files, all things that go together to make this extension. Perfect. So now after a little while, it's given me all the files that I need. More importantly, one massive zip file with the elements. So let's download it and have a look what's inside it. Let's open this guy up, and you see that in the Chrome extension there's a couple of files. So there's content, there's images, and more importantly, manifest JSON, pop-up HTML, pop-up JavaScript, and CSS. Great. So now with this file, or folder, I should say rather, I can go to the Chrome extensions. Remember, I've got the developer mode enabled. I'm going to load unpacked. I'm going to select the entire folder of the extension and I'm going to select. And here is my email extractor. Now I need to pin it so I can actually use it. So I'm going to go and try and find it here, and here it is, my email extractor. Perfect. Let's see if it works. Cool. Now I tried a random website, so a Irish pub, for example, and I clicked on my Chrome extension and here we go. Here is the email. I can copy that. Now it worked just to save myself a little bit of time instead of trying to dig through the website of where is that Chrome extension. And it looks nice. I didn't even have to tell it how to structure it. I just said modern, minimalistic, neo. Great, I got the idea. So our Chrome extension works. Perfect. What happens if we want to then upload this into the Chrome Web Store and get a backlink from it? Well, you need to go to the Chrome Web Store Developer Dashboard. Now, the process is a tiny bit strict. You do need to get verified and you need to pay $5. But $5 for a good backlink, I think, is pretty good. All you got to do is upload a new item, for example, and you drop the zip file where that Manis gave us. So let's take a quick look here. I'm going to browse the file. Here is the zip file. It's going to take a look at all the documentation. Now I just need to create a couple of things. I need to create the description for my extension, a category, the language, drop a few icons, and more importantly, you need to create and this more importantly, in the additional fields is where you put the homepage of the developer, in this instance, your website. You will need a promo video in terms of how this works. It can be really easy. Just upload it to YouTube and place it in there. Once you do, you save the draft and you submit it for review with this button up here. It should take a day or two. And after that, you've got your own Chrome extension that is in the Chrome Web Store and giving you a backlink, which is quite cool. So for example, ours, the prompt saver, is doing pretty well. It's got a 5-star review, only 367 users, which whatever. The whole point of me for that is so that I can have it and so I can get a backlink from that. Really easy, simple, fun way to create your own Chrome extension. Now, you know how to create a backlink from the Chrome Web Store, but just one backlink won't be really good for your SEO strategy if that's why you're here to learn. What I recommend is you watch this video where I go through a complete strategy to get a lot more high quality backlinks for your website, which is still a very important component of an SEO strategy, even in the day and age of AI overviews.